Hey everyone, welcome to Clean It with Rona, and thank you for clicking on this video. Today in this quick video, I'm doing my last part of my spring decor and also will be showing my new entryway table. So please stay tuned until the end of the video because I will do a short tour of the finished decor. On this channel, you will find organization, cleaning, and occasional decor videos. So if this interests you, please consider subscribing so you never miss a video. I wanted to add a pop of color in the room, but I didn't want to have to house a whole bunch of pillows since I do plan to decorate throughout the year. So I just got these pillow covers from Amazon and they worked great. And here I'm just playing around with a bunch of different small little decorations and with the tier tray until it looked right.
Leash is off, suit is on point. Won't cause a scene or stir up no clash. On second thought, Venice bound forth. She's on the job, but she's staying on.
One of the things I really like to do is take one big bush and then cut it up into different pieces so that I can spread it, make it last. This is my brand new entryway table. I'm really happy about it. Out with the old, in with the new. What I plan to do with the other table is just put it in the dining room, and you'll see it a little bit later in this video. But with this table, I felt like it brightened up the space a whole lot more. And as I said in my part 1 of my spring decor video, I really love lighted decorations. So I decided to get this because it looked like the little bunny was reading the Bible and the little house was the church. So I thought that was really cute. This is a teapot that I got from I think Salvation Army years ago, and I can finally use it. So here I am just decorating a basket. I actually got this basket for my birthday from my daughters, and I was like, wait a minute, this looks like an Easter basket. I can repurpose it. So that's exactly what I did. And then this is like a little lantern that I got actually for Christmas, and I thought, well, why not just keep decorating it year round? So that's exactly what I'm doing, and I'm going to be putting that outside. So here is the tour. There are actually some changes that I made to a couple of things. So please, if you are not following me on Instagram, please follow me at Clean It with Rona. Clean It with Rona. And you'll be able to see some of those changes throughout this week. Oh, and that vase that's on the table, it's a DIY that I took from a little apple juice bottle that the girls got me for my birthday. So I was able to repurpose that as well, and I got my taller centerpiece like I mentioned in my part 1 video. Which, by the way, if you have not seen that, please make sure that you check that out. I really hope this video gave you all the spring feels and thrills, so please stay tuned because I am going to be doing more spring cleaning and makeovers. If you got any value from this video, please hit the like button, go on, share it with a friend, and please consider subscribing to my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. See you next time. Bye-bye. We're from a different time.